And today on the Tacomaholic channel, I install the coolest LED fog light upgrade you can get from DeAutoLED, and it just so happens that it has multiple personality disorder.
My name's Hedwig. I have red socks.
Welcome back to the Tacomaholic channel, everybody. I hope you are having a fantastic day. We are enjoying a beautiful sunny day here in late winter, early spring in Northern Virginia, so I'm taking advantage, getting another video out to you guys. So today I will be going over a sweet fog light upgrade for the truck that I am super excited about because it is literally like having 3 fog light bulbs in one. The kit is from DeAutoLED, which I will link to below. In case you haven't seen the video, this is the same company that I use for my awesome rear turn signal LED bulb upgrade, so go ahead and check that out, link right up above. I will show you the light output of these in just a second, both in the day and also, of course, during the nighttime, which is most important. But there are 3 bulb colors to choose from. As soon as you turn the fog lights on, it will be a nice 5500 pure white light. Simply by turning the fog light on and off again, you will get a plasma 3000K light. And cycle through it one more time and you get a nice sort of factory looking LED 4300K light. In addition to those 3 settings, which they are incremental, so it goes from white to plasma yellow to the 4300K look, you do have 2 additional settings which are either good in emergency situations or, of course, cruising the mall parking lot. The first is sort of a slow flash of all 3 colors, and the last setting is, of course, a strobe, which it flashes 3 times for each colors in sequence. There are a variety of bulbs you can choose from for this kit on the DeAuto website. For my 2014 second gen Tacoma, the fog lights are an H11 bulb, and the cool thing about this, you can get them like I have with all 5 features with the 2 sort of strobe flashing features at the end, or if you don't care for that, you can just get the 3 colored light option. The price is the same for both. In addition to the H11, they of course have plenty of other bulb sizes to choose from. The fogs do have resistors built in, so you should not have to worry about any kind of hyper flashing if you wanted to install these on a separate vehicle where by some chance the fog light is also your turn signal. And like everything from DeAutoLED, there is a lifetime warranty on the bulb, so if you have any issues, just send them back and get some new ones. Now the install for these DeAutoLED bulbs is very straightforward. I'm not even going to film mine for this, but I will say when removing your stock bulbs, if you do go off-roading and sort of get mud up in there, I guess the clasps or the socket where the bulb attaches, the plastic part where it plugs in, that can be sort of a pain. So you might need either a small flathead screwdriver and or some needle nose pliers so you can take those and actually squeeze the bottom part of where it plugs in and just sort of pull it out. You might be able to get it by hand, but you can see mine's got dirt all up in it, makes it sort of difficult to remove. And definitely have safety glasses on when you're doing this, because if you do have dirt up here, once you start messing with it, I'm not sure if you can see that on camera, it will start falling off, and chances are it'll fall right in your face, right in your mouth, and ain't nobody got time for that, so just be careful with that. And I am going to show this to you live without any edits, so you can sort of see how they work. So just in case you were worried, I was actually swapping all the LED bulbs, and these don't do what they say. Believe me, they do. Of course, with your truck in the on position, or if the engine is actually on, turn your fog lights on and it will be the pure white 5500K light. You can see right there. Of course, during the daytime, not really going to show off to its full effect. And you can see I'm walking right back. All you do to switch to the next setting is just turn your fog light switch on and off real quick. Don't wait too long. And now it will be the plasma 3000K bulb. You can see, sort of get closer since that sort of looks sort of white from a distance. Nice, bright plasma yellow. For the next one, again, on and off real quick, we get the 4300K, which of course is sort of a mix 50-50 of the pure white and the plasma yellow. And going back for the last 2 settings, again, just on and off real quick. This will be the slow flash. You can see right there. I'm curious to see how well that's going to come up on camera, but there it is during the daytime. And the last setting is the turbocharged strobe mode. Again, on and off real quick. There is that. Perfect for those Tacoma meets in the mall parking lot. By default, and there's no way to change this, every time you use these for the first time, they will go to the white, then the yellow, and then the 4300K, and then the two strobe features. If for some reason you had your fog lights on, say, the yellow or the 4300K, and you left them on and you turned the truck off, next time you started the truck, they will revert back to that pure white 5500K setting. And if you're on the yellow and you want to go back to white, like I mentioned, it does go from white to yellow to 4300K, then the two flashing strobe features in sequence. All you have to do for that is, if your fog lights are on and yellow, just turn them off, wait for 4 seconds, turn them back on, and that will reset the cycling system so they will start at the white light. Obviously, you don't want to be switching through these strobes or the flashers while driving down the road. I'm sure that would get you pulled over with a nice fat ticket in no time. Quick video for you guys today because these bulbs definitely speak for themselves, as you will find out right now when I show you the night light output. Everybody, that will do it for this video. As always, thank you so much for supporting the channel by watching this video. I have a ton of things coming out, including the snorkel install video very soon. I have to sort of order things in a certain way to get things out in a certain sequence. All will be revealed soon. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing if you love everything Tacoma related. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next video.